Group, in partnership with Cure International Kenya, is set to launch the Step In campaign next week. The campaign is set to create awareness and raise funds towards surgical treatment for children with treatable disabilities. Cure Kenya is a local NGO that has been offering medical care for children with disability such as clubfoot, cleft lip and palate, and disabilities stemming from polio, cerebral palsy and other congenital abnormalities. Now, the launch of the campaign will culminate in a dinner to celebrate 20 years of the organization's existence.
I'm also talking to mothers and fathers out there. Please stop hiding these children at home. You're not doing them a favor. My daughter is 14 years old, but most of you have seen her in the media singing. She's actually singing for God. She's been used as a vessel. She's accepted her condition. If you look at her, if you listen to her story, she knows that she has a bigger head than normal, but that does not stop her from living her life. And I think at some point, parents are stopping the lives of their children to continue because they're hiding them. They're looking at them as shame. I don't think these children are ashamed.
Most of the people might not understand the real thing about the spine. When Dr. Theory will stand, I will be able to explain. But what I have is that you are not going to be corrected the spine. If you are not going to correct a child, a spine child, the lifespan yake itakuwa short because spine inaendelea kupinda, inaendelea kujikunja, ndio ina support organs, breathing, and also even the growth.